think they hear you real good. You and your big mouth. Well, I just want them to know. Y'all better come out and bring them children. Come out and see Queen Quet and come out and see all God children. And we all be Gullah Geechee. We're going to have a good time. You hear me? Do you think they can hear me, Joe? Woman, they can hear you good. Yeah, come on out if y'all don't believe Sue. Come on out, Joe. And I tell y'all, you have a good time. You can eat, you can crack your teeth, you can hear anything you want to hear about the truth, about Gullah Geechee people. You know, you just come out and have a good old time. Yeah, you should have just said them just like that. You ain't had to add that extra stuff. Well, y'all come out and just enjoy yourself and bring them children, you hear me?